Here I am at the Viaccess-Orca stand here at IBC 2013. I've got Haggai with me. And Haggai, give us a little overview of what you're talking to people about this year at IBC.
Sure. This year we are focusing on what we call the engagement model, and it comes from the fact that we view the main challenge of the operators is the fact that they have not yet mastered the engagement with subscribers, and they are in competition direct with all these internet newcomers and so on, and the operators have to have a plan regarding how they improve their engagement with subscribers, because that's going to be the factor that it keeps them in the service and maybe even increases revenues. So we introduced what we call the engagement model, which is a model that is a work according to this model. We believe this will allow them for a very successful engagement. The engagement is based mainly on what we're showing here is on layers, and I won't go into all the details. We have a very short time, but you can also see these lectures in our blogs and on our websites. But we start from the basic layer, which is a premium content, because we're talking about the service of premium. We're not talking about UGC, we're not talking about magazines or shoes. The company and the basic part of it is premium content, and if you have premium content, that's the first step in your service. For that, you need security, you need DRM, you need business rules, and that's the first step. The second step is you take this content and you transform it into a service. So you add the interactivity layer, which is a service delivery platform. So you're talking about VOD, PG, PVR, all of sales management, all of the things that exist, by the way, in most places today, but together they turn the premium content into a service. The new two layers, which are interesting, and this is where the challenge starts for the operators today, is taking this generic service and adapting it to what consumers want today, which is personalization, profiles, social interaction, all of that. So you have to add, on top of the generic service, you have to now customize the service to a specific user, to recommend him specific movies, to allow him to discover content in a new way. And the last layer is a new one, completely is the immersion, meaning subscribers today want to have an immersive experience of content. It's not just about the movie. It's about the gossip around the movie. It's about the actor. It's about the theme in the movies. It's the topics that were in the movie. And so that's the last product we have, which is Deep. And together, we introduce this engagement model, okay? And that's what we're introducing today, and it's putting into context what you do. So an operator, we can talk to him, okay, where are you at today? You have these two layers, you're steady with these two layers, great, let's talk about content discovery. You have these three, great, let's talk about making it more immersive, and so on and so forth. So we use this engagement model to help the operators understand where they have to focus in order to have a successful service.
And this is fascinating. You've also got a small demonstration of something showing on an iPad to give you a sort of representation of what we can be looking at here.
So, what we see here is actually, and I'll do it in 20 seconds,
sure.
But it's trying to put all of this engagement model into one screen for a second. Sure. So this is an order page of a movie. What used to be in the past, let's say a button, order the movie and €5 or whatever, is not sufficient. The reason I shop on Amazon, for example, is because on the page of Amazon I can get all the information I need in order to reach a decision. That's what we try to do here. So you can see it by the movie. I have some social interaction. I can send it as a gift, I can buy it, I can see movies like this as well, so this is the recommendation personalization side. I also have people who watch this also watch this, so I can have extra, I can go here for friends recommendations, I get profiles from Facebook, and the cool stuff is as well, at any given time, if I do this, boom, I get a magazine, a full magazine about the movie with all the information needed, with the actors, with social buzz and everything. I go back, I'm in TV again. If I look at the synopsis, which used to be a standard text, Owen Wilson is now clickable. If I click Owen Wilson, he becomes a magazine, and now I can read about him. So the full discovery, the full experience of an engagement in one application. That's what we're aiming to provide for the operators.
Brilliant, Haggai, it's amazing. Now, if people want to find out some information about this, obviously they haven't been able to get to IBC, they're watching this video and think this is fantastic. Where can they find that information?
Just come to Viaccess-Orca's website. We have blogs, we have videos, we have webcasts, a lot of information. Of course, all the concepts available to get in touch with us.
And I'm going to test you now. The website address is?
Viaccess-Orca. .com.
Brilliant, thank you, Haggai. Have a look, there's the link on screen now. You'll find everything you need to know about what we've been talking about here on this video. And everything we've been doing here at IBC you'll find on our website, which is broadcastshow.com.
Right, just so you know, we are live, transmitting across the world right now. Are you excited about this?
Audience here, and hello to everybody watching on the web. Thank you so much for showing up for me.
Welcome to the Threadneedle Parliamentarian of the Year Awards of 2011.
Through the wonder of the World Wide Web, tonight's service can be seen throughout the world.
Welcome to the start of a wonderful journey.